Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Well, finally I've come up with my new morning skincare routine and I will be sharing all the steps that I have been doing and all the products that I have been using. Now, I did a lot of, research before switching my skincare routine. I read a lot of, these documentations, watched a lot of videos, and then I finally, invested in a good skincare brand and changed the entire thing that I was using. And then I've been the skincare routine that I'm following right now. I've been doing this for a while and I've seen lots and lots of changes. So now once I saw the visible changes, I was like, now is the right time to come here and talk about it more and share all the steps with you guys and all the products that I'm using. Again, I would like to mention this is that I am not any dermatologist, so if in case I say something wrong, please excuse me. It's whatever I'm saying, it's based on my research and my documentation and the research that I have done myself, so please ignore if I say something wrong. Now, without wasting your time, let's get into the video and let me share everything about my skincare routine with you guys. Now, before moving forward, I would like to mention is I follow a 8 to 9 step skincare routine in the morning. I have a separate skincare routine for my morning and for my night, and sometimes I don't even use the same products in my morning or in my night skincare routine. The products or the serums that I use are different, slightly different, because depending on the kind of product that I'm using, like let's say any serum that is good for we using in the morning, we can't use it in the night. Like let's say sunscreen we only use in the morning, but we don't use it in the night, right? So that totally depends on what is your skin type and what the routine you're following, whether it's AM or PM. So that's why the products are separate. Most of them are separate. I would not say all, but most of them are different from depending on your skincare routine. So yeah, without wasting your time, let's get into the video and let me share everything with you guys. So the first step is always cleansing, and I've already cleansed my face using La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser, and this is really good for people who have normal to combination skin. This is one of my favorite cleansers and I've been using this for a while. You guys can already see that the bottle is almost half finished. I use this in my AM routine, I use this in my PM routine. This is like it goes everywhere with me, and it's super lightweight. The bottle is not too heavy, so even if I'm like I want to carry it somewhere, I can carry the bottle and it locks like beautifully. So absolutely love using this cleanser. Now I'm gonna not showing using the cleanser right now because I've already washed my face and my face is slightly damp. After I cleanse my face, now the second step is going to be using a toner. So you can use any glow tonic or you can use any gentle toner to just like take out even if there's like any extra amount of impurities or something. I also like to do sometimes after cleansing my face doing the ice water thing, like just putting up some ice in the bucket, or not the bucket but like in a bowl, and then just dipping my face for a while so that it just clogs or open the pores, and just I can remove all the impurities from the skin and it just cleanses my skin. But I'm not doing that today. I'm just directly moving step of using a toner. So today I'm going to be using a glow tonic from Pixie Beauty, and you guys can see it has my name written on it. So Pixie Beauty actually just engraved my name on this bottle, so I'm so happy, and this has been become my like a favorite glow tonic, and it just does wonders to my skin. So I'm using a clean cotton pad, and I'm going to just take a little bit on the pad, like the cotton pad, and I'm just gently gonna just apply on my skin, and it will also help in removing all the just in case there are some impurities left on my skin, just like that. And this will also make my skin a little hydrated. And after using the toner, the step number 3 would be using your serums. Now you can use any sort of serums which you like to apply. You can use hyaluronic acid, you can use vitamin C, you can use any sort of serums that you apply. So the step number 3 is always applying the serum before jumping onto any other product. So the first serum that I'm going to be using is a vitamin C serum from La Roche-Posay, and guys, I have recently started using this product, so you guys have to still will wait for the complete review, but as of now I am loving this. This is very gentle on my skin, and I just love how it just settles down into my skin. It's definitely, the serum is, I think it's very gentle and doesn't irritate my skin. Now, why we use vitamin C in helping or preventing the damage of the sun, and also, you know, reduces the wrinkles and fine lines and the dark spots from your skin. So definitely include vitamin C in your, you know, skincare routine, especially in the mornings. It has lots and lots of benefits. So I'm just gonna take like few drops, and I'm just gonna pat it onto my skin. By the way, it smells amazing, you guys. This product has this beautiful smell, oh my god. But I think this one is fragrance free, I don't know, I'm not sure, but it has like a very gentle, you know, this beautiful fragrance. I'm just gonna like pat all the product on my skin so it just gets nicely settled down. Now I'm gonna leave the, you know, the remaining product. I'm just gonna like put it on my hands, on my neck, on my ears, and just like give it off, like leave it on for a few seconds before I jump onto the next product. Okay, now I think the vitamin C has already settled down into our skin. The next serum that I'm going to be using is one of my favorite, that is hyaluronic acid. And guys, this is my second bottle, okay? I've already finished the first bottle and I've reviewed it. I've also spoken more about the hyaluronic acid. So if you want to like watch that video, it's like a beginner guide. I've shared all the benefits and everything, how to apply, how to use it on this video. So if you're interested in watching that video, the direct link is mentioned in the description. So make sure you watch that video, because I'm not going to be talking in detail about the hyaluronic acid in this video. So you can definitely watch that video. Now I'm just going to share a little bit why we use hyaluronic acid and is it safe to pair with the other serums. Yes, definitely you can pair the hyaluronic acid serum with vitamin C or any other serum that you're using, but make sure you first apply the vitamin C. The second needs to be your hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid also helps in reducing you know, the skin, you know, it helps anti-aging and just, you know, reducing the fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots from your skin. It also helps in skin stretching. So, you know, kind of like some people have this kind of like a skin which lays down, so it definitely helps in stretching the skin, and it has lots and lots of benefits. So you can definitely watch the video which is mentioned down below to know more about it. So now what I'm going to be doing is, since the vitamin C is already settled down into my skin, I'm just going to take like few drops and I'm just going to apply it onto my skin. Okay, now we're going to give it few minutes so it gets settled down into my skin, and then I'll be moving to the next product. Now comes the serum number 3. I know you guys would be like, she uses lots and lots of serum, but you know, you have to take care of your skin, right? So the next serum that I'm going to be using is a niacinamide serum, which I'm using from a Glow recipe. So this is a Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew drops. And I'll be very honest with you, I have recently added this into my skincare routine. Now, if you have a moisturizer which already has a niacinamide, you can definitely skip this serum step. You don't need to do an additional thing. The moisturizer that I use, it also has a niacinamide, but again, just to prevent a mole and just brighten up my skin more, I like to do a little extra. So that's why I put up a little extra effort or a step, you know, and I like to add the serum into my, you know, AM routine. I have recently started using this product, so you guys have to wait. That's why I bought the mini one, because I want to see whether it just suits my skin or not. It is, so far it is working beautifully on my skin, and you know, the Ordinary has niacinamide. I think the La Roche-Posay has the niacinamide. I want to try out all those, but this one was like reviewed very well, and I think it has kind of a little bit glow into it, which you'll see immediately once I apply it. So that's why I like the Glow recipe, and then I don't know, it's very gentle on my skin, so that's why I'm loving it so far. I'm gonna take like few drops, so just taking here, and I'm just gonna like apply it onto my skin, and it just smells like a watermelon, you guys. I absolutely love this. And the remaining product, I'm just gonna like pat it onto my neck area and also on my ears. Now I'm also gonna let it settle down on my skin for a few seconds, and I'm just gonna leave it like that before moving on to the next product. Alright, now we are done with applying all the serum. Let's move on to the step number 4, that is going to be using an eye cream. Eye cream that I'm going to be using today is Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I hope that's how you pronounce it, and it got very popular, so that's why I had to buy this one. And again, I recently started using this. It helps in brightening up your eyes. And also, why we use eye creams are eye creams helps in hydrating and then reducing the dark circles, also reducing the puffiness under your eyes. So definitely include eye cream in your skincare routine, whether it's AM or PM. It definitely does wonders under your eyes and also helps reduce the wrinkles, hydrates, and like I said, dark spots, puffiness, everything all gone. Like if you see some people have kind of eye bags, so you definitely use eye cream. It will definitely helps in reducing those as well. Now this one I am loving since I got this one, and I see a lot of difference under my eyes since I started using this. So I'm just gonna take like a small amount of this one, so just like a little bit here and then a little bit here. We do not need too much of product, just like this much, and I'm just gonna apply it and gently, you know, just spread it all around. And I like to take it in the upwards direction, so it just covers the entire eye area, like inner, down, just going into a circular motion, you guys. So it just covers the entire eye area, and I'm being very gentle when I'm doing this. Let's move on to the step number 5, that is going to be applying a moisturizer. So the one that I have been using for a while is La Roche-Posay, a double repair matte moisturizer, and I love this moisturizer. But I've also got the new one from La Roche-Posay, and I think once this is done, I'm going to start using the other one. That one is not a matte moisturizer, that's a little different. So once I'm done with this, I'm gonna start using that, and then I'll share the review with you guys. So I'm just gonna take a good amount of moisturizer, you guys, and then we'll be applying it on my face. To be honest, this brand is so good for people who have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, so you can trust on their products. And I'm being honest, so if you have sensitive skin, go for products from La Roche-Posay. They are so good. I'm just going to be applying on my neck area, ears, don't forget them. Okay, now I'm going to give it a little bit, you know, give it just a few minutes so it just gets settled down into my skin. Now the step number 6 would be using any of your favorite sunscreen. So the one that I'm using, and I have been using this for a while, it's a Live Tinted Hui Guard 3-in-1 mineral sunscreen, which also has a moisturizer and a primer, and they say it is SPF 30. The good thing about this sunscreen is it doesn't leave a white forecast. Like, you know, I don't like sunscreens which leave like the white, you know, forecast on your skin, and just looks like, you know, there's something white and they're not too thick. So this one is not that thick, and it easily gets blended into your skin. And I'm just gonna apply this gently on my face and neck. And also the good part is doesn't irritate the eyes. There are some sunscreens which irritate your eyes. I think I've been using this sunscreen by Sunbum, which just gets into my skin and then, you know, just irritates my eyes, and it just keeps like makes my eyes so watery. That to the sunscreen, let's move on to the step number 7. That is, you should never forget, that is going to be your lip balm. So I'm using this Nivea tinted lip balm, and I think it's in the shade Blackberry, and I like to use tinted lip balm so that it can just add a little bit color on my face, and this is really hydrating. Do you see that instant color? And the color is also not that bright that you'll be like, oh, it's too bright. No, it's not that bright. The color is also really nice. So I'm just gonna apply it. And the step number 7 is going to be using a clarity mist, and the one that I'm using is from Pixi Beauty. It has hyaluronic acid in it. So what the clarity mist will do, it will help in, you know, it's just for soothing and calming, and you know, it just locks down all the products that I've used. So that's why I like to use the mist, and also it has this beautiful fragrance. So I'm just gonna apply it evenly on my face. Whew. And I'm just gonna give it a few minutes to just get settled down and just locks everything that I have just applied. And while it's soaking into my skin, what I'm going to be doing is, it's going to be our step number 8, and I promise you this is the last step. So for my hands, this is the hand cream that I'm using from Soap and Glory. It's called Hand Food Hydrating Hand Cream, and it has this beautiful fragrance, you guys. I love it. This is always in my bag, so if I'm sitting, it's always near my bed. It's always in my bag. I just love this, and it's so hydrating. So I'm just gonna take like a little bit and just apply it onto my hands. Oh my god, smells so good and just hydrates, you know, my hands, and you know, I just apply it here as well. Alright you guys, so this is my morning skincare routine. These are the steps that I do. So this is basically a 8-step routine, I would say, and you guys can see the instant brightness on my face, and I just love using these products. They are so good. And one thing I want to say is just be consistent. You are not going to see the results immediately after you start applying them. Just give it like 4 to 6 weeks and just be consistent when you're using these products. You will definitely see the results. And to be honest, this is my real skin. There's no filter right here. There's no makeup. This is my real skin. Let's go ahead and end this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I did help you in some way and I was able to answer your questions. If you have any questions, please do make sure you comment down below and let me know. I will be more than happy to answer your questions, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.